A lawsuit filed by the ACLU of Maine against the state's Indigent Legal Services program has just been granted class action status. That means the number of people who can join the suit could possibly number in the hundreds or even thousands. The suit says Maine has failed to create an effective public defender system because the legislature has only approved funding for 5 lawyers for the entire state. As News Center Maine's Jackie Mundry reports, the ACLU says that's just not enough.
A new lawsuit claims Mainers who are accused of crimes but can't afford an attorney themselves aren't getting the representation they deserve.
The state needs to have a fair system for whoever it's accusing of crimes.
This suit has just reached class action status because there are thousands of defendants expected to join this case. The overall goal of this lawsuit filed by the ACLU is not to get money for plaintiffs, but rather to reform Maine's public defender system. Zach Heaton, who works for the ACLU, spells out the changes they're hoping to see.
Includes evaluating the lawyers at the outset to make sure that they have the training and skills to do the job. Evaluating their performance as they go along to see if there are areas where they could use some improvement. And providing meaningful material support of the kind that prosecutors get already.
The lawsuit was filed against the state, but specifically Maine Indigent Legal Services and its executive director, Justin Andrews. He says he's asked the state for the same resources Heaton is referring to.
Asked for employed public defenders, asked for training staff, oversight staff, a lot of the things that we're going to need to really reach the level that we could.
The state has agreed to fund Maine's first 5 public defenders, but this lawsuit and even members of the public defender system claiming it's just not enough.
Certainly, I'd prefer not to be sued because it results in a tremendous amount of work, but any vehicle that can bring an improvement is good.
Maine Indigent Legal Services isn't arguing its own case. Anytime the state is sued, the Maine Attorney General's office handles it. Jackie Mundry, News Center, Maine.
That case is now entering the discovery portion before heading to trial. This story was first reported by the Maine Monitor, a nonprofit journalism website.